Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing with Red Heart. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I did present this at my live. This is from Yarnspirations. They work with Red Heart, and they had created a 12-day advent calendar filled with Amigurumi kits. So these are 12 days of Amigurumi. It's their lovable Christmas collection. It says there's 6 ready-made and 6 ready to make. So I'm not sure what that means, but we're gonna find out. So I am gonna unbox this whole thing. Now, just to let you guys know, if you have any requests for me to do any of these characters for the month of December, I will honor those requests. I'm going to try to get as much as I can done. There's just so much going on right now. Right now, I am doing The Nightmare Before Christmas because that was kind of Halloween / Christmas. And I do have my sister's birthday coming up in January. So I am actually going to gift her the characters. So however many I can make till January is how many I'm going to do. But then I also have 2 other Christmas kits. One from Magimuse. That's going to be, there's 3 gnomes. I don't think I'm going to do all 3. And then there's this Amazon kit that came with so many little kits. I don't think I can hit all of them this month, but I'm doing that as well. And then, of course, you know, I am also a nail channel, so I am doing dailies every day for that. So we've got a jam-packed December. It's always around the holidays that I do this. So if you're ever bored or having trouble sleeping, I remember during the pandemic, that's exactly what I did. I couldn't sleep, so I would watch videos on end, which actually inspired me to create my channel. So hopefully, if like I said, if you're finding yourself bored or wanting to watch something, I hope my channel has a little bit of everything that you could possibly need to pass the time. So all right, let's open this kit here. It's really pretty, and I love Red Heart. That's pretty much all the yarn, most of the yarn that I get, that I've been getting in the past since I can remember. But here's the little band. It tells you what's included. Plastic crochet hook, 4mm, size G/6. Acrylic yarn, a plastic needle, 12 plastic clips or stitch markers, polyester stuffing at various weights, and 6 completed stuffed amigurumi. So I'm kind of curious. These are what you're gonna either be making or what's already made. I really don't understand this. I haven't actually have done any amigurumi from Red Heart yet. I did get a couple of kits, but I don't even have time to unbox them for you yet, maybe after the holidays. But yet here it says scan for your ready to make pattern instructions. A lot of people are going that route. I did get a Woobles, and that's all they do. You have to get their patterns online. You know, whatever, but I mean, I'm old school. I like having paper instructions. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open these boxes. Oh, so as I'm feeling, they already taped the hook on the side, so let's get that out. So this is a typical plastic neat hook you would get from other kits, like the Dollar Tree has them too. All right, and then on the handle, it's on the flat, it has the size 4.0 millimeters. I've been asked that before on some of the kits, but it's very faintly written or embossed into the actual hook itself, which is great because that's good. You want to know what size you're using in case you'll lose it. All right, let's check out box number 1. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I have a feeling that they're already made, but you can go on that QRC code and get the instructions, because I think I see paper in one of these, so there might actually be oh my gosh, this is a face. There might actually be paper instructions in here as well. So this is a candy cane, super cute. You know what, I'm putting this all on my tree. I'm going to take a picture of it and then I'll post it on my community tab. But this is so cute, and if I'm feeling it right now, this is firm and it's soft, and there's a smiley face. How cute. And here is a carabiner, or you know, makeshift one. It looks kind of flimsy. I mean, it's not, you know, it actually is kind of nice, but I don't need this. I'm gonna be hanging it on the tree as it is, so I'm gonna end up saving this. But so this is character 1. This is the candy cane. Again, if you see any of these things in here that you would like to see me do, then just comment below and I'll do them. So here's 1, the candy cane. Next, and I love these cute little boxes. Ooh, here's a kit. Alright, maybe I didn't see instructions. No, they're all online. This is number 2, and I am guessing this is the reindeer. No, this could be the gingerbread. Yeah, I think this is the gingerbread cookie. Alright, so 6 are already made, which is weird. Don't make them. Unless people want them made, but you take the fun out of it. Alright, so yeah, this is the gingerbread. It has the yarn, it has the stuffing. This is cute. This would be nice, quick kits. Alright, number 3. Oh, look at this. It's a heart. But it's a heart with a smiley face. Yeah, I should hang these on my tree once. So that's 6 characters that I haven't done, but I don't know. Yeah, like I said, just comment below if you want any of these made. Otherwise, I'm just going to continue with what I have. The Nightmare Before Christmas and the Magimuse, and then the Amazon kit. So, okay. This one is the wreath. This looks like the wreath. Or is it? No. This might actually be, well, there's red in it. We have red, white, and green. This might be, I guess, oh, the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree right there. Okay. Number 5. Oh, this is the star. This is cute. And the Dollar Tree actually has a pattern for this one, but it's a lot larger than this. It's a keychain star, but this one's cute. It's 5. 6. This one has green, black, and gold looking. So this one's got to be the bell. That's cute. This one is a stocking. Look how cute that is. Looks like they did all the easy ones, I feel. I don't know. Very cute. And they're stuffed nice. I like a firm squish on my little stuffed dolls. Number 8. This one has to be either, I think this is the star. Yeah, this is the star. Oh, and you can't see that. Here you go. The star right here. Okay. number 9. Okay, number 9. Ooh, this is the Christmas wreath. It's got its cute bow. It's a little odd shaped, probably from packaging, but you could probably bounce that right back. How cute! Alright. Yeah, definitely packaging made it funky. Okay, then we have 10. Oh, I hit the camera. This one has to be the snowman. It's number 10. Number 11, we have all the reindeer. Oh, how cute is that? We've got Rudolph. Very nice. Okay. And last but not least, number 12. This one has to be Santa. Right there. Okay. So I will leave a link to this. I just, you know, Googled Red Heart. And this came up. So I will stop hitting that. I will leave a link for that in the description box. But that is it, you guys. Again, comment below if you want to see any of these in video. Again, look out for the other unboxing videos I'm going to do. I did unbox them in my live, but I know not everybody gets to see that. So I'm going to be doing, I'm actually in the middle of doing the Magimuse gnomes, and then I have to do Oogie Boogie. And there are other requests. If they are Christmas related, I will do them, try to fit them in this month. If not, I'm going to fit them after the holiday. But when you do the requests, I will get to them. Trust me. It just, you know, there's a list, of course, and then I have like I said, my regular videos that I do. So it's just a crazy schedule. I'm sure everybody knows, as they have their own schedule and the holidays that they have to deal with. But thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I really have such a great time switching it up. I know that a lot watching are beginners. I do want to mention that I do have memberships, and I know that's, you know, a little much to handle sometimes, you know, as we're all watching where our pennies go. But there is I think it might be tier 3 or tier 4, where we can do one-on-ones, and I can help you through stitching or what have you. I try to post the videos as clear as I think I can show, but sometimes, you know, when you're starting out, you need more help than that. So, something to consider. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.